Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by removing what you can. Use a dull edge to lift hardened pieces, pressing gently so you don't push chocolate deeper. Once done, blot any soft or melted area with a clean cloth. Pat, don't rub, so you absorb rather than spread the stain. Next, mix a mild cleaner or upholstery soap and test it on an inconspicuous seam. This ensures the fabric won't discolor. Make sure to wait a few minutes to confirm safety before continuing to the main cleaning. You'll now actively lift the stain. Apply a small amount of upholstery cleaner or a 1 TSB soap to 1 cup water solution to the stained area. Use a soft brush or microfiber cloth and work from the stain's edges toward the center. This prevents spreading. Make sure not to drench the seat. Minimal moisture helps lift chocolate without soaking the padding. Once you see transfer, blot with a dry cloth and repeat application and blotting until the bulk of you finish by removing soap and drying. Wipe the area with a lightly damp cloth to lift residue, then blot with dry towels until most moisture is gone. Make sure to air dry or use a fan. Avoid direct heat, which can damage fabric or foam. If a faint stain persists, apply a small amount of a solvent-based spot cleaner designed for upholstery, but only after testing. If the stain refuses to budge, consult a professional detailer. One key tip: don't overwork the fabric or you risk setting the stain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.